Alright guys, this is a super cool one. So, how many of you guys have this happen? You know, you go and use a Chrome wobble and it does this. Well, I got a really cool solution for it, and we'll see what it is right after this. Alright, so super cool. We all have floppy swivels or wobbles. Doesn't matter if it's quarter, 3/8, or half-inch drive. All you need to fix it is an appropriate sized O-ring. Okay guys, well, I'm going to use a small, I'm not sure what the size or number is, but stretch it over, pull it down like that, so it goes exactly like that. And you see, now it stays straight, and I can still stick it over something. Look at that. Super cool. We all have O-rings laying around. I'll even do it with this one. So, see, we'll all just stretch it over, down. There you go. That's stuffing them right up. But they're still weak as wobbles. Now you can do this with regular wobble sockets, universal joints, universal spark plug sockets, 1/4-inch drive wobbles, all kinds of stuff. I mean, like my snap-on 1/4-inch drive wobble here is pretty loose. I mean, so. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I keep a full kit of O-rings handy. So let's open up and we'll find one that fits. It's pretty small. Let's go with a 8mm O-ring. So 8mm ID, 12mm OD. Might be a little small, but we'll try it. Yep. And we'll just slide it on over. And that was not fun. Stiffen them. We can see kind of a, I mean, it's not super bad, but still kind of annoying. Take our O-ring, stretch it over, down, make sure it wraps around all 4 ears, if you will. Now, it stays stiff enough to get over, but still works as a wobble. I think that was pretty cool. I wanted to show you guys. So, there you go. So, I mean, literally, for pennies, O-rings are pretty cheap. You can fix all your loose, floppy wobble sockets. I don't like that, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you found this tip helpful, share it. And I will, check out the discount codes and links in the description. Lots of cool stuff there. Text Talking Shops there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.